What if I told you that one of the most powerful gaming laptops of 2025 also happens to be one of the lightest and most portable? The new ROG Zephyrus G14 is not just another gaming laptop. It's a machine that packs insane performance into a 14-inch body that you can take anywhere. Today we're going to see if it really lives up to the hype, or if it's just another overpromised gaming device. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know if this is the laptop you should buy or skip this year. Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we break down the latest gadgets in simple words and share what really matters. Today, we are going deep into the 2025 ROG Zephyrus G14, a laptop that has been making waves for its mix of power, portability, and fresh design. The first thing you notice when you see the new Zephyrus G14 is how different it looks compared to older versions. Asus has made the design even sleeker, thinner, and more refined. The chassis is made of strong aluminum with a matte finish that feels premium to the touch. It does not bend or flex, giving a sense of confidence when you carry it. The edges are smooth, and the weight is surprisingly light for a laptop of this class. It is built to be portable, and you can easily slip it into a bag without worrying about bulk. The new hinge is also stronger and allows the lid to open smoothly. The anime matrix on the lid is still here, but it is brighter and more customizable, giving the laptop a unique identity that no other device has. Looks futuristic while still being practical. Open the laptop, and you see the new keyboard layout that is more spacious, with larger keycaps and softer edges. Typing feels satisfying. With good travel and quick feedback, it works well for both typing long documents and for gaming. The backlighting is bright and even, with more customization through RGB effects. The touchpad has also been improved. It is larger and smoother, with better accuracy for scrolling and gestures. It feels like a laptop designed not just for gaming, but also for serious productivity. Now let's pause here for a second. A lot of laptops look great from the outside, but once you open them up, the screen can make or break the experience. So does the Zephyrus G14 deliver on display quality, or is it just average? Let's find out. The display on the 2025 Zephyrus G14 is one of the best in its class. It comes with a 14-inch OLED panel with a high refresh rate, hitting 165 Hz or more depending on the model. Colors are vivid and accurate, with deep blacks that make everything pop. Watching movies feels cinematic, and editing photos or videos becomes more reliable because of the color accuracy. The resolution is sharp, and brightness levels are high, enough for outdoor use. Motion is smooth with little to no ghosting, making fast-paced games look fluid and sharp. The bezels are thin, giving you more screen and a smaller footprint. The overall experience of the display is stunning and makes the laptop feel more immersive. Performance is the area where this laptop truly shines. Asus has packed the latest AMD Ryzen 8000 series processors and paired them with NVIDIA RTX 50 series GPUs. The combination delivers incredible power that can handle any task you throw at it. From heavy gaming to creative workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and coding, everything feels smooth. Multitasking is effortless, and you can have multiple apps open without slowdowns. The thermals are managed well with the new cooling, a system that uses liquid metal on both the CPU and GPU. Fans are quieter, and heat is pushed away efficiently, keeping performance consistent. Benchmarks place it among the top-performing laptops in its size category, and real-world use shows no lag or stutter, even under load. And here's the big question. With this much power in such a small body, can the G14 actually keep cool? Or will it overheat like so many compact gaming laptops do? The cooling system has been redesigned, and it performs surprisingly well. Even under stress tests, the laptop maintains stable performance without throttling. It gets warm, but not to a level that makes it uncomfortable to use. This means you're getting desktop-level performance in a machine. It weighs much less and takes up a fraction of the space. Software and features add to the experience. The laptop runs Windows 11 with Asus's Armoury Crate software that allows you to tune performance, fan speeds, and lighting. Profiles are easy to switch depending on whether you want silence, balanced performance, or maximum power. You also get Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support, giving you better visuals and sound quality. The Anime Matrix display can be customized with animations, texts, or even system stats. Small touches like quick charge support, adaptive sync for smooth gameplay, and AI-powered noise cancellation for calls make it practical in everyday use. Battery life is often a weak spot in gaming laptops. But the Zephyrus G14 does better than most, thanks to its efficient processor and optimized software. You can expect around 8 to 10 hours of regular use like browsing, streaming, or office work. For gaming, the numbers are lower, but that is expected. Charging is fast with the laptop, reaching 50% in about half an hour. The ability to charge via USB-C adds convenience, so you don't always need to carry the bulky power brick. For travel and portability, this battery performance is a big win. Gaming performance is where the G14 stands tall, with the RTX 50 series. GPU ray tracing is smoother, frame rates are higher, and DLSS support makes demanding games playable at ultra settings. Competitive titles run at high refresh rates, giving you an edge in fast-paced action. The small form factor does not limit its power, and it feels like you are carrying a portable gaming rig. Thermal performance ensures the laptop does not throttle, keeping frame rates stable during long sessions. For creative performance, it is equally strong. Rendering videos, working on 3D models, or editing high-resolution photos all feel quick and efficient. It is not just a gaming machine, but also a serious workstation for creators. Now here's where things get interesting. Most laptops that aim to balance gaming and creative workloads end up being good at one and average at the other. But the G14 manages to be excellent in both areas. That balance is rare, and it's one of the reasons this laptop is standing out in 2025. Speakers on this laptop are much improved. The new 4-speaker setup delivers clear highs, detailed mids, and strong bass for its size. The sound fills a room and makes watching movies or listening to music enjoyable without external speakers. Dolby Atmos support adds a sense of depth, especially when gaming or streaming. The speakers also avoid distortion at high volumes, which is rare in thin laptops. For headphones, the laptop supports high-res audio, making it a good choice for audiophiles as well. Connectivity is another area that Asus has worked on. You have plenty of ports, including USB-C with power delivery, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, and a headphone jack. Wi-Fi 7 support ensures faster and more stable wireless connections. While Bluetooth 5.4 gives better device pairing, an SD card reader is included, which is great for creators. Everything feels designed with both gamers and professionals in mind. Price and value depend on the configuration. But the 2025 ROG Zephyrus G14 is positioned as a premium laptop. It is not the cheapest, but you are paying for top-tier performance in a portable body. For people who want both power and portability, the value is strong. Compared to bulkier gaming laptops, the G14 offers nearly the same performance in a much smaller package. It is a solid investment if you need a laptop that does everything without compromise. Like every device, it has pros and cons. The pros include excellent design, lightweight build, stunning old display, strong performance, long battery life for its category, powerful speakers, and modern connectivity. The cons are the premium price, limited upgrade options since the RAM is partly soldered, and higher fan noise at maximum performance. Still, the positives far outweigh the negatives. The final verdict is simple. The 2025 ROG Zephyrus G14 is one of the best compact gaming laptops you can buy right now. It blends power, portability, and premium design in a way that few laptops manage. It is perfect for gamers who want a machine that travels easily and creators who need a reliable powerhouse. If you are looking for a laptop that does it all without being bulky, the G14 is worth every look. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we bring you honest reviews without the fluff. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.